We are up to the 9th day of Christmas and this is our 9th video on trading tips. Now it's January, some of you guys are thinking about going back to work, some of you guys might even be going back to work. It can get quite dreary after having such a good Christmas, and we hope you did have a good Christmas. But we have a stock into raid and we've still got more tips to share with you guys, and we've still actually got some quite good ones in here. We've got 20 odd, well we did at the start have 20 odd tips in here. Any of the ones that we don't read out, so we're only reading out 12 in this series, will be put on our DVD for trading discipline. Now, tip number 9, this is quite an important one. We've written the word emotions, underlined it with an exclamation mark, so it's quite important. Watching profit and loss, short-term charts and online forums. What you will find is if you watch documentaries or interviews with quite a few young traders who have become millionaires through trading the stock market and they've retired or whatever, they always seem to say the same thing, and that's if you could design a robot or a machine or some sort of computer program to trade the stock market, you would be pulling money out of the system. Because a lot of the time what makes humans bad traders is emotions, what they think, greed, fear, blokes with too much testosterone, adrenaline rushes, and this is why a lot of people say women make better traders than men, because they haven't got the testosterone men have got. They don't get the adrenaline rushes that testosterone brings on. Sometimes the emotions get in the way of our trading, they make us make new and wrong decisions, and this video is basically focusing on trying to tune them emotions out. Even the best traders, you know, if some people were obviously trading for Goldman Sachs, very good job. They might not necessarily be any better at reading stock market charts than some of you guys, but the thing is, they are very, very disciplined. If you can get militant like a machine, you will be a very good trader. And some of the things that we've learned is, some traders insist they watch the news while they're trading. We don't recommend that because the news can sometimes tell you things that the news is in the charts. You don't need to be watching news. Watching your profit and loss. You know, if you're on a losing day and you're watching your losses and you're thinking, oh my God, look at the amount I'm down, it's gonna inspire emotional, you know, you're gonna have adrenaline rushes for that. Short-term charts as well, get the ticker going. Don't watch short-term charts. We have a video on this. Hopefully we'll actually get it on this series. If not, it'll be on our eDVD. And also online forums. A lot of the time what you get is people wanting your share price to go down. The share price has gone down, you're a little bit panicked because you bought way higher or whatever, and other people are telling you it's going down lower, and that can bring out emotions. And you don't go on online forums and things like that for shares because you can get biased. Other people have got bias. They either want the price to go up and they're telling you how wonderful the company is and how great the charts are. We stay well clear of them. We want to see the chart for what we think, not what other people are telling us. So really be aware of your emotions. And one of the other ways that we can do this is on days where you're in the heater, the market's going against you, you will have days like that and it's near your stop loss. Sometimes what we do, a lot of traders will probably frown on this, but we walk away from the computer. Our stop loss is in. There's no need to sit there watching the price drop when you want it to go up. You're not on the right side of the market. Every trader has days like that. Don't let your emotions get involved. Your stop loss is there. Come back to the computer in 10 minutes time, see if it's rallied or whatever. But we don't advocate trading whilst you're emotional, while your adrenaline's running, because you're going to make, or your brain's going to be trying to get you to make new decisions. So anything that brings out the emotion in you, watching news, watching your profit and loss, reading comments on forums, stay away from it while you're trading. When you're not in a position, fine, watch the news, watch everything, but not while you're in that position.